Upgrading your showerhead is a simple home improvement project that can significantly enhance your daily routine. A new showerhead can improve water pressure, conserve water, or simply update the look of your bathroom. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. Before starting, gather all the necessary tools and materials. You will need your new showerhead, plumber's tape, also known as Teflon tape, and an adjustable wrench or pliers. A soft cloth or rag is also helpful to protect finishes. Having everything ready saves time and prevents interruptions during the installation. First, ensure the water supply to your shower is completely turned off. While not always strictly necessary for a showerhead replacement, it's a good safety precaution. Place a towel or cloth over the drain in your tub or shower. This prevents any small parts from falling down the drain during the process. To remove the old showerhead, grasp it firmly and turn it counterclockwise. Most showerheads can be loosened by hand. If it's too tight, use your adjustable wrench or pliers. Wrap a cloth around the showerhead's base before using the wrench to avoid scratching the finish. Continue turning until the old showerhead detaches completely from the shower arm. Once the old showerhead is off, inspect the threads on the shower arm. You might see old plumber's tape or mineral deposits. Use a small brush or an old toothbrush to thoroughly clean these threads. Removing any debris ensures a tight, leak-free seal with your new showerhead. A clean surface is crucial for proper installation. Now take your plumber's tape. Wrap it clockwise around the threads of the shower arm. This direction ensures the tape tightens as you screw on the new showerhead. Apply 3 to 5 layers of tape, overlapping each wrap slightly. The tape acts as a sealant, preventing water leaks from the connection. Carefully align the new showerhead with the taped threads on the shower arm. Begin to screw it on by hand, turning it clockwise. Make sure it threads on smoothly without resistance. Continue tightening until it feels snug. Avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the threads or the showerhead itself. If your showerhead still feels loose after hand tightening, you can use your adjustable wrench. Place a cloth around the base of the new showerhead to protect its finish. Give it a final quarter turn with the wrench, being very gentle. Remember, excessive force is unnecessary and can cause damage. With the new showerhead securely in place, it's time to test for leaks. Turn the water supply back on. Then, turn on your shower and let the water run for a few minutes. Carefully inspect the connection point between the showerhead and the arm. Look for any drips or streams of water. If you notice a leak, turn off the water immediately. You may need to tighten the showerhead slightly more. If tightening doesn't resolve it, remove the showerhead, reapply the plumber's tape, ensuring good coverage, and then reinstall it. A proper application of tape is key to preventing leaks. Congratulations, you have successfully installed your new showerhead. Enjoy your improved shower experience.